AROMA Surf here and about to unbox a brand new Mahalos scooter. Super excited, been waiting about a month for this to come in the mail. We're going to do an unboxing. Also, this is also to announce our new playlist, Street Food, right here on the AROMA Surf channel, so stay tuned. First, in the unboxing, we're going to cut this bad boy open. They say about 64 pounds. And this was the Apollo Ghost, which is really exciting because the Ghost Apollo that was inspired by this year's Halloween. We're excited. Here we go, guys. We've got the charger here. It's a 3-pin connection. It's a little bit smaller than my boosted revs charger. Nice and lightweight, easy to take around. One thing I want to mention about when you unbox any electric scooter, make sure you check every compartment of every stuffing, because there's a lot of times little extra spare parts and tools that are in there, and hate to throw those away. You need them. This is a great example. See how there's something stashed right inside there? It's really nice. They put this together kind of like a Swiss Army knife, almost. Canadian Army knife. Love you guys. Mahalo, Apollo. Trying to do this so that you guys can see me. Okay. And at the very bottom of the box are owner manuals. This one's called the Ghost. Apollo Ghost, guys. All right, so we got it out of the box, and it took me a second to figure out the system here. Basically, the bar folds up. Their system for clamping is kind of just like an adjustable clamp, a tension clamp. So you get your tension clamps, there's 2 of them. Get them to the right tension. Definitely make sure it's a good tension, not overly tight, but definitely not too loose. This is critical for safety. And boom, we have our bar. Now I'm getting a little bit of movement in it, which tells me that probably there's a position that's better. So I'm going to slightly adjust the position of this ring clip. There's 2, 1 and 2. Now it is movable. I'm going to put it right on the center of the gap. Notice there's a folding gap here. I put it right on the center, and I'm going to pop these into position. Nice. And these are nice and tight. There we go. And notice now the bar is not moving. That's cool. Check out this tool set. This thing is super dope. Apollo provides this. It's even got little ratchet sockets, actually, and all of your different Allens. Okay? I'm going to use this Allen to loosen the headset. Okay? Okay, can stop for a second. I loosened up the bolts on the headset. I'm just going to take them out carefully. I don't want to lose these. That's what they look like. Okay, 4 of those. Just like any kind of headset for a bike in general. It's going to be 4 lugs minimum. So I've been riding a boosted rev for a year now, experiencing what the whole e-scooter vibe is like. I love it, highly recommend it. It's a great form of transportation. It's a great way to get into electric vehicles and that technology. I kind of wanted to put it to a test for a year myself personally before investing in another, and now I'm really excited about the Apollo Ghost. Yeah, and I'm gonna put the headset on. Okay, so here we are. What I've done is there are 4 nuts for the headset, and I've tightened those, and I have the headset in an upright position. Okay, now I need to adjust all of the different levers, brake levers, and the different switches and everything. So we'll do that and we'll see in a second. Hey, okay, we're back. So I'm just gonna kind of run down what I did real quickly because it was a little more lengthy in time. I got the headset connected. I set the accelerator to where it's comfortable, okay? I set my brake levers so they're comfortable, easy to access. Accelerator, you've got your horn, your ignition switch, okay? And then you've got your different turbo modes. One thing I noticed when I put on the ignition switch, there's this little screw. It does have the tendency to fall inside the ignition switch box if you don't know, because it's a 2-way screw. If it does, don't stress. Right here on the side, this little dial will pop out and you can shake out the nut, okay? There's a screw, and you can put it right back in. Other than that, I attached everything, made sure it's solid. I've got a full charge. We're ready to go out on the road and put it to the test. All right, so final things I did, I didn't show you in the section earlier, but basically I adjusted my brake levers as far as the position, and I made them so they're just naturally easy to grip. I got my bell so it's easy to reach for. Ignition switch, all of these are individually adjusted, and you adjust them how you like. I adjusted them just to kind of as snug, but without any of the components touching each other, okay? This is my accelerator and the turbo switches, okay? And we're ready to put this thing on the road. First time ever for me, so I'm gonna take it easy. You can take a look. This is a powering on. We're just gonna go level 1, give it a try. Now I haven't adjusted the shocks.
With your white tea, we are gonna sit in harmony. With the Indiana, Syrian or Chinese, we have it up in harmony. All of the people truly must see, Almighty will make everybody made by Almighty. All of the people love in harmony, living in harmony. All of the people must be living in harmony. Strictly loving unity, living in harmony. everything just do, and everything just show we. All of the people live in harmony, living in harmony. All of the people must be living in harmony. All of the world must see living in harmony. Strictly loving unity, living in harmony. We have to live it in harmony. We have to dub it in harmony. In this time, we have to use we right mind. No time to fuss, no time to fight. In this time, we have to use we right mind. Brothers and sisters, we got to unite, living in harmony. All of the people must be living in harmony. All of the world must see living in harmony. Strictly loving unity, living in harmony. Hear me? Yeah, man. That's it, Booba. Everything I realize, you know that. This one's for all the people in the eye. You hear? Very nice, very nice, very nice, very nice. Very nice, very nice, and other people's choice. Very nice, very nice, very nice, very nice. Very nice, and other people's choice. We love, yes, we love a fighting. True that we know her, but it's so irate. Attracted to the old passing. Eyes is tell it to everybody. Very nice, very nice, very nice, very nice. Very nice, and other people's choice. Very nice, very nice, very nice, very nice. Very nice, and other people's choice. Down in Hawaii, out in the sea. I'll leap away for the surfer styling. Down on the beach, girl in bikini. Enough respect to our wahini. Very nice, very nice, very nice, very nice. Very nice, and other people's choice. Very nice, very nice, very nice, very nice. Very nice, and other people's choice. Down in the Maui, them have not falling. Hawaii, them other got in plenty. All in volcanic activity. One was the island with town and country. Very nice, very nice, very nice, very nice. Very nice, and other people's choice. Very nice, very nice, very nice, very nice. Very nice, and other people's choice. We love, yes, we love Hawaii. Love, we love, yes, we love Hawaii. We love, yes, we love Hawaii. Love, we love, yes, we love Hawaii. Love, yes, we love Hawaii. Love, we love, yes, we love Hawaii. Love, yes, we love Hawaii. Love, we love, yes, we love Hawaii. Very nice, very nice, very nice, very nice. Very nice, and other people's choice. Very nice, very nice, very nice, very nice. Very nice, and other people's choice. Even the valley, them have the ginger. Little koi guava and enough papaya. Large mountain apple and banana. Coconut, mango, and a little ganja. Very nice, very nice, very nice, very nice. Very nice, and other people's choice. Very nice, very nice, very nice, very nice. Very nice, and other people's choice. Gone to Hawaii, gone, be rock steady. Gone to Hawaii, everybody feel irate. Gone to Hawaii, gone, reggae band roots natty. Gone to Hawaii, in a rubber dub styling.
Aroma Surf up here on the side of Diamond Head. First official debut of the two-scooter crew. Street food coming up.
Other people's choice. Very nice, very nice, very nice, very nice. Very nice, very nice, other people's choice. Very nice, very nice, very nice, very nice.